Today I'm going to tell you about the favorites in QGIS, how to use it. So let's say I am going to open some data which is in my folder. So it's users, NDU, my QGIS, lab, and this exercise data which is coming from QGIS itself. I go and let's say training data geo package, and let's say I add roads and building. So you see how much deep I have to go inside folder to load the data. But all this is very much possible if I use the favorites. How can I add the favorites of that particular folder? I say favorites, right click, add a directory, fine. You go to the users, go to the NDU, which is my user. In your case, it may be your folder, whatever you have created, and my QGIS, and you say lab, fine, and excise data. So I'll go to the excise data and say open. So this will become the favorite. You see that it is in favorite. This path is little long. So what you can do is right click and rename this. And let's say rename this as a QGIS data and say okay. So now if you open a new project, just don't save it. And so you're in favorite, go to QGIS, see how fast you have reached to that folder, and training, roads, and buildings you have added, right? So this is quite faster, so you are saving a lot of time on it. You can also add favorites using other options. So you can go to users, NDU, downloads, QGIS, and now I want to make it working. So right click on working and say add as a favorite. So you add its favorite. So this folder probably you can have like one is coming from the QGIS, the raw data is there, and this is your working folder. So you can rename this folder and just say, okay, this is my working folder. So working folder. So now whatever is there in working folder, you can see that. So let's say I open a new project just like that without saving this. And let me see what is there in working. So yeah, I have one geo package file. Go open, just double click. So this file is open. So some data is there. So that's how you can create favorites and do wonders with saving in time. Thank you.